Pranam viewers, see, we know as per Adhyatma Ramayana what is actually the meaning of Dasharatha. The Valmiki Ramayana tells you Dasharatha is the father of Lord Sri Ramachandra, Lakshmana, Bharata and Shatru. But that is the epic written by Valmiki, and there is a subtle meaning to the epic. Why does he say and create a character called Dasharatha? Here I would like to give you an explanation. What does Dasharatha mean as per Adhyatma Ramayana? See, it is told that Dasharatha did or conduct a yaga called Putrakameshti yaga to beget children. He was advised by his guru Vasishtha to conduct such a yaga and he did it. After completion, the Agni gave him a small bowl of payas which can be distributed to his wives for begetting children. Here, the real meaning of the word Dasharatha is as under. Dasharatha in Sanskrit means Dashashu Dikshu Apratihato Ratho Yasya Saha Dasharathaha. The terminology gives this explanation for the word Dasharatha. The one who can travel or who can ride his chariot in all the 10 directions of this universe is known as Dasha Ratha. Dasha is 10, Ratha is the man who can ride or who can conduct his chariot. This is called Dasharatha. The imminent truth is the Dasha means it is not the dik what we have. It is actually the Panchendriya, Gnanendriyas and the Panchakarmendriyas totally brought together as 10. Panchagnanendriya and Panchakarmendriyas which are functioning in our body. They are termed as Dasharatha. The whole man body contains all these 10 indriyas. With the help of these indriyas only we live. That is why Dasharatha Tattva is nothing but the Srishti Krama Tattva, or he is an embodiment of creation. He indicates the icha or the feeling of the Lord to create this universe. That tattva is known as Dasharatha. So the Lord has to set into the body in the Panchagnana and the Panchakarmendriya to take incarnation. No, that is why his father is known as, coined by the term Dasharatha. He has 3 wives: Kausalya, Sumitra, and Kaikeyi. These 3 wives. These 3 wives are again a symbolical representation of the uh, Gnana Shakti, the Kriya Shakti, and the Icha Shakti of a human being. These 3 forces which control the whole universe are simply they have been linked to the characters of these the Kausalya, the Sumitra, and the Kaikeyi, who are coined as the wives of Dasharatha. When the God wants to make an incarnation and take birth as a human being, he has to make himself manifest in our body or in the human body. For having that human body, he gives trigunas or 3 gunas who have become the mothers of begetting in a soul coming of a soul into this universe. That is why it is told as Kausalya, Sumitra, and Kaikeyi, who are the Icha, Gnana, and the Kriya Shaktis. Antakarana are the internal faculty is single one only, but due to its function, it is named as four. See here, it is called as Buddhi, it is called as Chitta, it is called as Ahankara, and it is known as Mana also. All the four things are combined together and they are called Antaranga Chatushtaya. These four are nothing but Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, and Shatrughna. See, the most important thing where the mental faculty uh, rates high is the buddhi or the intellect. So here the Shreshtastva or the most importance is given to the intellect, which is known as Rama. Rama is the intellect. And Lakshmana is Kriyatmaka, or he is having power of the mind. The mind is known as Lakshmana. Lakshmana actually Manugnane Manu Avabodhane. The Dhatvartha of Lakshmana is Mana Gnane Manaha Avabodhane. The mana or the mind functions, it does function in the body doing some kriya or doing work. For doing all work, mana or mind is needed. It is the one which primarily drives the body to get into action. That is why Lakshmana is the indication of the mana or your mind. Now we will come to Bharata. The Lakshmana and Shatrughna, these two are born to the Ma Sumitra. They are the sons of Sumitra. And Kausalya gives birth to Rama, which is equated to Buddhi, Dhi Shakti. And secondly, Sumitra gives birth to Lakshmana and Shatrughna. And finally, we come to Bharata. Bharata's mother, Kaikeyi, is equated with the Icha Shakti of the Trigunas, or the Sattva, Rajas, and the Tamas, these Trigunas. The Icha Shakti is known as Kaikeyi. She gives birth to Bharata. What is the definition for the word Bharata? Bhibrati swangam iti bharataha. The force which actually carries or which takes upon it the deha or the body is known as Bhibrati. Bhibrati is carrying. Carrying the body is called as Bharata, who takes the load of the body. That is known as Bharata. So it is nothing but the Ahankara or the ego. The ego is equated here with Bharata. Egoism is the fundamental class. It actually drives a man to complete all actions